Good afternoon, my name is Frank Conteschi with MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2016 Formula 37 PC. Come on board. In the transom here, you'll find that the boat is equipped with SeaDek faux teak. It's a gray, matching the interior. There's nice transom storage for life preservers, also tables that are in the cabin over here. All your shore power is on the starboard side of the boat. On board, you'll see that it has nice U-shaped seating with optional table, or it can be a filler cushion to make it into a lounger. The boat is also equipped with cockpit and cabin air. On board, you will also find two fridges, one up top and one in the cabin, and sink. TV as well. Stepping up to the helm, you'll find the dual captain's chairs. The boat is equipped with 8.2s. They are Bravo 3s with Axius. You'll find the Axius joystick right here. The boat also has Skyhook, Raymarine, touchscreen, and Mercury vessel view. If you step onto the bow, you can see that we have two sun pads. And if you come into the cabin, the boat is well equipped down below with an aft hangout that can be either couch or made into a VIP room with TV. Nice seating area. The galley is well equipped with wine and drink holder, microwave, fridge, sink, and grill. Right here we have our bathroom, if you want to step inside, with a fully enclosed shower, toilet, and sink. And the nice feature about this boat is it has a forward master, which is private. In many sizes you don't see where, in many 37s you don't see where this size has private doors. The cabin is well lit, has skylights throughout and porthole lights throughout. Thank you for coming aboard. This is Frank Conteschi again with MarineMax here in Brick, New Jersey. Thank you for your time.